We are here, we are here, we are here with running the levels, looking for market structure and pattern. Okay, guys, let's find a time frame to find patterns on. Today, let's work with let's give it a 30-minute looking like. Let's see what the 30 minutes looking like. There's a lot of patterns in here. I'm trying to figure out where to start. All right, let's start with this area here. Then we can work our way. Start with this area here so you can see what's going on. So let's go with this section here to this side. Let's take it all the way to. Let's see how far we can go. So let's zoom in. Okay, so there's multiple patterns in here. So I mean, where you want to start off at is what, looking for the high, and then this is the whole section right here looking for the low. At least the midpoint right in the middle. Okay, so when reading the market, just say we start off in this area here, we can see that the market pushed down from somewhere. So when you read the top of these areas here, when we just come to a spot where you don't know what's really going on, it's all about, like, this area circle here is all about reading inside, all about looking inside the pattern of the wicks to see what happened. So what structure we see in here is, we said the market pushed up with these wicks, 1, 2, 3, 4, about 4 pushes to the top. So it's a quadruple top, and a retest market retested another double time. Could be about 5 pushes to the top, and then multiple retests in the lower time frame. But overall, if you read it from here, it's 1, 2, 3, 4 quadruple top, 2 retests. This is 1 retest. That's 2 retests. Market dropped down how many times? Once, twice. Okay, so we see that decline W in that market of that slant. So if you look at it right here, first, second, third, fourth, that's a W decline, and it created momentum. So once the market get back to a low out bottom, it's got to figure out what's going on. But we see about a few wicks at the bottom, 1, 2, 3, and we see 4 as well. This is not lined up perfectly, this fourth one, but sometimes we go on a lower time frame. This candle right here could be a lot lower because of market getting stretched out, high and to the low, vertical and horizontal. So that means what happened here, we got a single bottom, market retested somewhere in this area, and market pushed up. I mean, if you look at the overall, market pushed up once, came back down, market pushed up twice, came back down. And we got a pattern right here, back at the high. What pattern is that? Circle here once, circle here twice, double top. We got that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. Retest is right here. And then market pushed down once at this doji, market pushed down twice at that doji. So market came back to the midpoint instead of dropping back to a low. We also had another pattern here, which is the W. So we did get that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. Retest is right here. And let's see how many pushes we got. Received, market pushed up once, market pushed up twice, market pushed up 3 times, market pushed up 4. That's cap. Okay, so when you get about 4 pushes to the top, that market is done. So what happened is, what you have to do is, once you start getting, even if you see like 6 pushes to the top, like it's just something like more than 3, you start knowing that means that the market consolidated. So that means there's a pattern in there. So if you consolidate this area here, it's probably as a whole, it's probably as a section. So we got to figure it out. We're looking at here. We got to what? Read it from here. So you see the market pushed up. So you know it did a type of W. So it's got to find it. So it could be overall first, second, third, fourth. Retest, market pushed up once, market pushed up twice. Okay, so if we read it individually, it would be more like first, second, third, fourth. Retest, market pushed up once. So then that'll be market went into a double bottom. 1, 2. When it reached this high, it did a double top. So that means we got a double top in this area here. 1, 2. Retest. Market pushed down once. Market pushed down twice. Went back to the low, which we received a what? Another double bottom. So circle once, circle twice. Got a W. First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. Retest. Market shot up once, came back down, market shut up twice. Okay, so that's clear what it is. I mean, we know how many times the market pushes up. So we got twice so far. So first, second, third, fourth, three test market pushed up once, market pushed up twice. That second push up was a huge, a very long push up to the top. Okay, and when it broke my resistance line, we didn't get a break and retest on this time frame, but it could have been in this area here on a lower time frame. Very important information, guys. Please review and study Forex pattern cheat sheet. Look for patterns in the market. Looking for double tops, head and shoulders, incline wedges, double bottoms, inverted head and shoulders, and understand when the market is doing them patterns, what direction it's going to turn into. Very important information, guys. Please study and review breakout and retest strategies. You have to understand when the market's at a high, what's going to happen. When the market's at a low, what's going to happen. And overall, when the market hits a SR line, what is going to happen after, okay, in the direction that it is going into, you know. Okay, guys, this is Cam Jones, FX, running the levels. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your attention. YFI, USD, crypto.